What do you do before bed?
I brush my teeth and read a story.
Which story do you read before bed?
I read a story about the moon.
Who reads bedtime stories to you?
My mother reads them to me.
Why do you like bedtime stories?
They are fun and help me sleep.
When do you turn off the lights?
I turn off the lights at 8:30.
How do you feel when you go to sleep?
I feel happy and calm.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is an apple.
Do you like to swim?
Yes, I like to swim in the pool.
What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is summer.
Do you have a bicycle?
Yes, I have a red bicycle.
What do you do on Saturdays?
I visit my grandparents on Saturdays.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I love chocolate ice cream.
What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is orange juice.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play football with my friends.
What is your favorite game?
My favorite game is chess.
Do you like to read books?
Yes, I like to read storybooks.
What is your favorite story?
My favorite story is about a brave knight.
Do you like to draw?
Yes, I like to draw animals.
What is your favorite animal to draw?
I like to draw elephants.
Do you have a favorite toy?
Yes, my favorite toy is a teddy bear.
What is your teddy bear's name?
His name is Teddy.
Do you like to watch movies?
Yes, I like to watch funny movies.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is about a superhero.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, I like to dance at parties.
What is your favorite song to dance to?
My favorite song is a pop song.
Do you like to sing?
Yes, I like to sing with my friends.
What is your favorite song to sing?
My favorite song is about the stars.
Do you like to cook?
No, but I like to help my mother in the kitchen.
What is your favorite food to eat?
My favorite food is pizza.
Do you like to eat vegetables?
Yes, I like carrots and beans.
What is your favorite vegetable?
My favorite vegetable is broccoli.
Do you like to eat fruit?
Yes, I like bananas and oranges.
What is your favorite fruit juice?
My favorite fruit juice is mango juice.
Do you like to drink tea?
No, I prefer to drink milk.
What is your favorite snack?
My favorite snack is biscuits.
Do you like to eat chocolate?
Yes, I love dark chocolate.
What is your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert is cake.
Do you like to go shopping?
Yes, I like to buy new clothes.
What is your favorite color for clothes?
My favorite color is green.
Do you like to wear hats?
Yes, I like to wear a sun hat.
What is your favorite type of shoe?
My favorite shoes are sneakers.
Do you like to wear jewelry?
No, I don't wear jewelry.
What is your favorite accessory?
My favorite accessory is a watch.
Do you like to go to the beach?
Yes, I like to play in the sand.
What do you do at the beach?
I swim and build sand castles.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I like to visit new places.
What is your favorite place to visit?
My favorite place is the mountains.
Do you like to take photos?
Yes, I like to take photos of nature.
What is your favorite thing to photograph?
My favorite thing to photograph is flowers.
Do you like to write letters?
No, but I like to write stories.
What is your favorite story to write?
My favorite story is about a magical forest.
Do you like to play video games?
Yes, I like to play racing games.
What is your favorite video game?
My favorite game is about cars.
Do you like to solve puzzles?
Yes, I like to solve jigsaw puzzles.
What is your favorite puzzle?
My favorite puzzle is a picture of a castle.
Do you like to build things?
Yes, I like to build with blocks.
What is your favorite thing to build?
I like to build tall towers.
Do you like to plant flowers?
Yes, I like to plant roses.
What is your favorite flower to plant?
My favorite flower is a sunflower.
Do you like to watch birds?
Yes, I like to watch colorful birds.
What is your favorite bird?
My favorite bird is a parrot.
Do you like to go hiking?
Yes, I like to walk in the forest.
What do you take with you when you hike?
I take water and a snack.
Do you like to ride a horse?
No, but I would like to try.
What is your favorite outdoor activity?
My favorite activity is cycling.
Do you like to go camping?
Yes, I like to sleep in a tent.
What do you eat when you camp?
I eat sandwiches and fruit.
Do you like to stargaze?
Yes, I like to look at the stars at night.
What is your favorite star?
My favorite star is the North Star.
Do you like to watch the sunrise?
Yes, I like to wake up early to see it.
What is your favorite time of day?
My favorite time is the morning.
Do you like to watch the sunset?
Yes, I like the colors in the sky.
What is your favorite color in the sunset?
My favorite color is orange.
Do you like to listen to the rain?
Yes, I like the sound of rain.
What do you do on a rainy day?
I read books and drink hot chocolate.
Do you like to play in the snow?
Yes, I like to make snowmen.
What is your favorite winter activity?
My favorite activity is sledding.
Do you like to celebrate birthdays?
Yes, I like to eat cake and play games.
What is your favorite birthday gift?
My favorite gift is a new book.
Do you like to decorate your room?
Yes, I like to put up posters.
What is your favorite decoration?
My favorite decoration is a fairy light.
Do you like to collect things?
Yes, I like to collect seashells.
What is your favorite collection?
My favorite collection is stamps.
Do you like to write poems?
Yes, I like to write short poems.
What is your favorite poem about?
My favorite poem is about the ocean.
Do you like to learn new languages?
Yes, I am learning English.
What is your favorite word in English?
My favorite word is happy.
Do you like to help others?
Yes, I like to help my friends.
What do you do to help your friends?
I help them with their homework.
Do you like to volunteer?
Yes, I like to help at the library.
What do you do at the library?
I organize books and help people.
Do you like to recycle?
Yes, I recycle paper and plastic.
What do you do to protect the environment?
I plant trees and save water.